What's up, everyone? Today is the second day of Pycon, and yeah, just woke up in the morning to just go and arrive early, and yeah, let's see how this day will go.
Hi, I'm called Sabrina. I found a startup called Nimaronji, and basically Nimaronji harnesses the power of data to eradicate education inequality. And yes, as we all know, Python is the king or the center of data, yeah? So I'm excited to meet developers in the Python community and maybe someone who will contribute to the work we are doing at Nimaronji. And then also, just a confession, I've been a secret lover, huge time, of Python for like 5 years now or 6 years. So I'm excited to be even more inspired to meet people, to make friends, but most importantly, the fact that I'm moderating the session today, I'm excited to connect with the people, speak to them, hear their opinions, because that's what makes it even more vibrant, to know that people are loving the experience, they are growing, they are benefiting, and I'm excited to do that with people attending today. Yeah.
Comment on that to my presentation. Like I said, I like the talks before the presentation. I keep changing it, keep adding. But think about it, because you see, that's key. Yeah. Which means you have to have a sense of how much time you're spending. Because time is money.
Yes.
You may not be hitting that rate, but you will know. I remember there was a time I was working 95 hours a week. 90 hours.
How old were you at that age?
That was like 2010. I was not too old.
And then, I'm just imagining, sometimes
for a short period of time, we're like athletes, and I keep telling people we're like athletes. They train, they compete, they rest. They train, they compete, they rest. Okay. You can't keep up that pace for a long period of time. You will burn. But there has to be a time of high pressure.
How come we have the richest man in Babylon? Okay. So the other thing you guys need to learn and talk about, who's learn about money? You can make good telecom, but you don't make any money. So you need to learn how to make money. The richest man in Babylon says, make money, you are a slave. In Uganda, you guys see a home is called Makai in Uganda. Do you know what the full word is? Amakambwe. Only the people who are in it know what is happening.
I mean, some things I don't think they should be in tea.
I'm hearing it.
I heard Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Why is that even in tea? Why is it in tea? Hi. Sabura.
How are you feeling?
Good.
That's good.
Yeah.
How was the first?
I thought breakfast was done by the time I came.
It was very motivating.
That's a appeasement and I ogamba to moment.
that is.
You don't know what
that is quite. That's quite a lot.
No, it's possible.
You not know your mate.
Anthony show is mentoring me. And then even Guido is mentoring me, but he doesn't know it.
So of course.
How does that work?
They don't know. They don't know that they're mentoring me.
So how are you finding day 2 of Pycon Uganda 2023?
First, the keynote, our speaker is really good.
Okay.
Yeah, it was great, and I don't know, because of the jazz or the more experience that he was telling us through jazz, but I feel like in the advice and then the encouraging word that he has given, they are more helping than anything, not anything else. So we need to know about Python, where it started from, given to what we learned yesterday. But then there are these other skills that you will never be told that he has tackled down, and it has moved me. And
How was day 1 and how have you found day 2?
Day 1.
day one was good.
Yes.
I got to meet the usual people and new ones. I got to meet Tobias, who doesn't recognize. He actually knows my name,
This guy right
but
here.
he pretends a lot. He writes good Python. That's what I do.
Yeah.
So, but it has been an amazing event.
Yes.
Yesterday was good. I loved the shows talk in the morning. Then the evening for Idris was amazing.
That one was surprisingly very interesting. I didn't know what to expect. So I didn't carry a lot of expectations. But what I expected was I was going to hear from Anthony's show. I thought it was going to be the last keynote, but thank God it was the first. Yeah, and I was the most excited person in the room. So yeah, the whole event went well, and everything was organized in a nice way. Second day is also good. Breakfast, nice morning keynote.
Oh, that's good.
The first day was interesting. Yes, because it was the first time attending a Pycon.
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I was rejected for the US thing. I wanted financial aid, but it wasn't like ours.
Yeah.
I think the first day opened my eyes because they mentioned something about getting the financial aid and how you can be in the community such that you can easily get the financial aid.
Yes.
So yeah, I think the next one I will attend.
Okay.
The next one, the next Pycon US, and it was also the other thing that was interesting was the LMMs. LLM, yeah.
Large language models.
Yeah, those language models. Yeah, they were interesting because I have a problem and I think they could be the perfect solution, but I really didn't know how to go about them. So, yeah, I still have some discussions to take on with the Microsoft people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they've...
How was day one? 30 minutes, 30 seconds. How was day one? How was day two?
Very good. It actually met what I was expecting, and the talk from Sean, the talk from Idrissa was good and motivating, and about day two, it has actually begun at a high note.
Yeah, in a nutshell, the 2 days for me, there are basically two highlights. The networking bit of it, the amount and quality of people I've met is priceless. But also, I've learned so many things that, yeah, you see, they always tell us to get soft skills, but there are certain things you can never get in school. But through such events, you get to meet so many people, you get to learn from people you didn't even know that they knew so much more than you. So I'm actually hoping to make this my habit, to attend many more events like these dev events.
All right.
Yeah.
That's good.
Uganda so far has been really inspirational.
Yes.
It has been a really good learning process for a young developer such as I. Yesterday I managed to get a deeper perspective on what development is internationally. You know, we had keynote speakers from abroad like Anthony, then there was the accounting master who managed to migrate to the technology and developing world. So I managed to understand how they think about problems and how their main skill and I felt like their most important part of programming is to solve a problem.
Yes.
So yes, that's what I managed to learn from yesterday. And today, our keynote speaker so far has encouraged us to put ourselves out there, grow 1% each time, in everything that we do. Make sure that every day, you have to own your day. Don't let the day take you instead. So yeah, I managed to learn so much so far. So thank you.
Good.
Life is good.
Yep.
Life is enjoyable too. So I'm excited to be here at Pycon Uganda. I traveled for how many hours to be here? 12 hours later. I imagine to just be here for Pycon Uganda. And I'm really excited to share this with all of you. I'm so happy. This is my first time in Kampala, and this is my first time in Uganda. I hope to come back again this year for Netflix Kampala, right? Yes. So Today I'll be talking about what the medics are Pythonic delight. So my talk, the math behind, yes, the math is done by programs that you write, but you need to understand what happens behind the scene in the mathematics. So it does all that because you have the concept of vectors.
But you want to keep getting data like timestamps or anything. This is a very simple script that you would use. And then let's say you want to create automated reports using pandas, right? We said pandas is for data manipulation and analysis. And with this, we can make it easy for us to automate the reports. For instance, you could create a CSV, so you have
You have a very, very good phone. Why don't you start?
Let me try it now.
How much stuff that's not there is actually there. Like, oh, I don't know, here's the Wizard of Oz's backyard.
Yeah, so we had a scenario where someone deleted the entire Lake Victoria off the map. Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah, just gone, just like that. So
only for you to check the map and see Lake Victoria does not exist.
I'm assuming then
to start understanding how the entire thing works. So that's when I go to learn, and now I'm using them. I can write them.
As well as diversity of opportunity, not forgetting the sectors. I talk a lot about sectors because many people are saying, okay, machine learning, AI, and so on. Where are you applying it? Is it in health? Is it in education? Is it in agriculture? Is it in social development? So I think diversity encompasses where we come from, who we are, what we do, and generally what we think, and how we think. Yeah.
We are all different people. In a way, we are all diverse. But the core difference is in who the major difference. So in tech, it's mainly the gender differentiation, region diversity, especially because I don't know how it has been here, but in Kenya right now, at least we're seeing more and more ladies getting into tech. And
Yes, greetings, Madam Joanna.
The guy is not coming tomorrow. Our conference is going to be closed. You are the one who brings clouds here. Now if you don't come,